Hello everyone, welcome to the series of data analysis using JAMOVI. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to compute skewness in JAMOVI. You can find more videos on JAMOVI, SPSS, RStudio, MS Excel on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Here I have the hypothetical data of 30 students and their internal and external marks. Now suppose we want to check the skewness of internal and external marks both, whether they are positively skewed, negatively skewed, or they have zero skewness. So here we have the option of exploration. Click on it, go to descriptives. Now once you go to descriptives, you can see this section on your screen. So select internal and external both and move them to the variables box. And then here you have the option of statistics, and in statistics you can select skewness and untick all other selections. So we just want the value of skewness only. So here you have the result. You can see the skewness for internal marks is 1.47 and for external it is minus 1.17. That means internal marks are positively skewed and external marks are negatively skewed. Now you check the value of mean and median for both. So you can see in case of internal, the value of mean is higher than median because it is positively skewed. And in case of external, value of median is higher than mean because it is negatively skewed. So this is how we can find the value of skewness in JAMOVI. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.